Hello, I am Varun. I am from Bangalore and I completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science in Sri Krishna Institute of Technology. After the completion, I joined PySpider at the month of May, and I joined for Python full stack course. The first demo class is to come by Keshav sir. After that, Danda sir is took SQL, and Vijay sir is took Python for me, and web technology is took by Umar Shankar sir, and also Django framework is took by Alex sir. They will conduct for each and every subject mock test and all, and in month they will conduct the pre-test and separate test and all, and we want to do daily presentation to increase our confidence and also communication skills. They will make screening and they will like the question and all, and after the completion of the course they will provide the interview until we placed. They provided the interview for data analyst, and it was a great experience in PySpider, and thank you.